Hello, students. Mr. Jen here. This is World Studies. The date should be about March 7th, and it is Chapter 22 study day. So nothing due today. It is a Wednesday. Our test will be on March 8th, which will be a Thursday. Now, I can't remember off the top of my head if it's Current Event Thursday or Teen Viz Thursday, but I tell you what, I'm just going to go ahead and bump whatever that is to Friday, and that will be all that's probably due that day. Let's have an easy Friday, just a simple assignment. Let's do it. We've earned it. That's what I'm going to do this time. On terms of the test, we have our usual tools. We've got our study guide here. Hey, if you can answer all these questions, and you're probably in a pretty good position to do well on the test. We've got our forum, of course, and as always, I advise you maybe take a quick look over the chapter again, or maybe go through all the lesson assignment, or the lessons again if you so choose. I would probably err on the side of maybe reading the chapter in the book one more time. There's a little more in there. It's a little less summarized, a little more full, if you will. So this was a short chapter, technically 2 lessons, but I broke it down into 3. The test is on the shorter end. It's only 30 points. And there are a couple questions on there that I looked at and off the top of my head didn't remember the answers to. Things specific, like this guy wrote this book, or this book was written by this guy, or maybe some specific little nugget like that. So make sure you take a look over the chapter again, and remember that in the event that you're looking at an answer and you have no idea what it is, you can just look it up in the book. There's no rule that says you can't. Or your notes, or even pop open a tab and look at the lesson again. That's it. That's it for today. As I mentioned, on the 9th, we'll have whatever supplement that we would normally do on Thursday. And then on Monday, we'll start fresh with political and industrial revolutions. Alright, that's it for now. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything. Take care.